Hey guys, so today we're gonna talk about VESA, and here specifically we're gonna talk about a monitor's VESA. So here I have a monitor with me. Alright, so VESA is actually Video Electronic Standards Association. So they have decided on determining the VESA size of a monitor or TV. So it is basically just the length of these two holes right here and the one from top to bottom. All right, so it is counted in millimeters. So this one is exactly 100 millimeters by 100 millimeters. So if you get a TV mount, especially a monitor mount, so here I got the Condomounts full motion monitor mount, and they have included this attachment to be attached to monitors. So basically a lot of monitors, they have 100 by 100 millimeter VESA. So they have also included these screws, right? These screws to be placed in the monitor. I mean, to attach this attachment right here. So I'm gonna show you how to attach these screws. So here we just take the screws given and you just attach them according to the holes on the monitor, right? So you just follow this through, just attach them to the holes on the monitor, and yeah, so make sure this points up, right? This one shows up, there's an arrow, there's a key for you to follow. Alright, so you just screw them in, and yeah, that's it. So that is basically it, and this is very tight, it's very strong, it could withstand a lot of weight, especially with the Condomounts outdoor and indoor monitor mount, which has full motion. Alright, I would like to talk about this also. Alright, there is also this attachment. This one is used when you have a monitor or a TV with a bigger sized VESA. Alright, so you could just attach this onto this attachment and place it on any other monitors or TV. So that's all for today, guys. I'll see you guys later.